How to fight cellulite with natural recipes. Second part. As my dear YouTube friends are, I hope very well, trying to take advantage of each day we have, this time we will talk about the famous cellulite, giving you more recipes. Excellent diuretic infusion of horsetail. Another problem that is associated with cellulite is fluid retention. Consuming diuretics such as horsetail can help you to stop retaining it. It is also studied scientifically, the diuretic effect of this herbal medicine. To use this remedy, just put a little water to heat until it boils. Then, remove it from the fire and add a little horsetail. When you have rested 8 minutes, remove it and you will have your infusion of horsetail ready. Remember that you should not take more than the recommended amount, that is, as many 2 glasses a day. In herbal shops they also sell horsetail extract in tablets, in case you consider it a better option. If you're not too fan of the ponytail, remember that you can also use dandelion, horse chestnut, or goto kola. Use pineapple if there is a diuretic that is not missing in any house, it is the pineapple. Whether in syrup, in its juice or natural, the pineapple serves as an excellent ally when it comes to avoid retaining liquid. Of course, remember that if you consume pineapple in syrup the amount should be small. The syrup does not stop having a high content of sugars and the excess of sugar can affect our skin causing alterations and excess of fat. It is better that, as far as possible, take natural pineapple or juice. Green tea. It is another of the best allies to remove cellulite, not only for its antioxidant capacity, but because, although many do not know, it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Remember that cellulite is itself an inflammation. Also, drinking green tea can help you meet that minimum amount of liquid you should eat daily to be healthy. They are all advantages. Exfoliate yourself with coffee. To prepare this homemade scrub you will only need those of the coffee left after. You also need honey, apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Remove the ground coffee from your coffee maker and leave it in a bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 of lemon, and a spoonful of honey. Include the coffee in the mixture until it reaches the consistency of a porridge. Coffee contains caffeine that, in addition to keeping you awake, is excellent for increasing the smoothness of the skin. Their studies, for cosmetic use due to their biological effects, are more and more. The lemon, in addition to having antibiotic properties, is also a natural pH balancer. Honey, on the other hand, has a healing effect, and apple cider vinegar helps with the elimination of toxins. Cream of oil, apple, and lemon. It is important that you take care of your skin and that it hydrates both inside and out. To help you, you can use a homemade cream prepared with coconut or olive oil, apple, and lemon essential oil. Simply mix a little coconut oil, remember that it is solid at room temperature. So you'll have to heat it, or olive with a teaspoon of apple essential oil and the juice of half a lemon. The coconut oil, in addition to moisturizing the skin, has been described analgesic effects. The advantage of using the apple here is that it serves as a powerful detoxifier, helping to remove toxins that are more exposed after the exfoliating action. Rosehip is used to make one of the best essential oils to treat the skin. If you use a massage to apply it, you will multiply the absorbing and moisturizing effect. Fruits and vegetables high in antioxidants. The importance of the consumption of antioxidants for the proper functioning of the skin is well known. Fresh foods such as tomatoes, carrots, broccoli, zucchini, potatoes, or fruits such as mango, orange or papaya. They can be excellent options to give your diet that extra supply of antioxidants. Flax seeds. One of the types of seeds that has the best effects for the skin is that of flax seeds. Not only because of its high nutritional value, but because they stimulate the production of collagen, which is very necessary for the smoothness of the skin. To take the flax seeds, remember that these must be ground or hydrated. To hydrate the flax seeds, simply add them to a juice or glass of water and wait a half hour for them to alter their size slightly. If you do not hydrate or grind the seeds, the body cannot assimilate them. Perhaps this procedure sounds to you because it is the one that is most frequently used with chia seeds. Paprika and fruit jam. Precisely, a very interesting way to take antioxidants. It can be in the form of porridge, especially if you are one of those who are not very supportive of the fruit. Add the pulp of a slice of melon and some strawberries broken into small pieces in a bowl. If you want, you can add a little water and ground flax seeds. Mix everything well by mashing the fruit with a fork or using a chopper. This porridge can be taken cold or warm. In fact, if you take it warm, it can also serve as a jam to add to your morning toast. Bananas. The banana is a food rich in potassium, so it improves blood circulation and reduces cellulite. Other foods with this same property are cauliflower, spinach or carrots. You should take a banana at mid-morning or in the afternoon, when the stomach is more or less empty, so that you can benefit 100% of its potential. More citrus. Citrus fruits are natural diuretics. That is, foods that contribute to eliminate excess fluid from the body, increasing your consumption. You will be facilitating the circulation of liquids, which, as I mentioned a moment ago, is very important. Therefore, get used to eating oranges, tangerines, and lemon juice as often as possible. And not only reduce cellulite, but you will lose weight and, in addition, by eliminating excess toxins, you will feel much healthier. The Amarivalosa gelatina. Basically, the idea is that gelatin has the ability to improve the health of the connective tissue, and that enhances the amino acids that give strength and keep the skin healthy. Therefore, increasing your intake is a very good idea. As you can see, cellulite is a problem that has a hormonal origin, and that is very common in women. But, luckily, there are home remedies for cellulite that can help you solve it without spending money. Apple vinegar acts directly on estrogen and progesterone, which are two of the hormones that actively collaborate in the appearance of rebel cellulite, in part, are responsible for the adipocytes increase their size. That is why, using apple cider vinegar, we can act on the root of the problem. Even though, in the case of the cellulite that you already have, it will not be a treatment that makes it go back. Apple cider vinegar has a preventative effect. To make apple cider vinegar, you just have to mix a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water, and add a spoonful of honey to make it taste sweeter. You can take this remedy in the mornings, and, although you do not notice a cellulite reduction effect, yes, you will reduce the probability that it will increase or appear in other areas a little. Well, my dear friends, I hope that this second part of this report will be of your pleasure and that all your needs will be covered there. Well then, friends, if you liked, do not stop giving it up and subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll ask you to support me by sharing my videos with your friends and family. I say goodbye not without first thanking you for all your support and leaving my best wishes to all of you. Wishing you the best success in everything, that many blessings are proposed, and until the next video.